Original.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. If this is your first time, please don't forget to hit that subscribe down below. Turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So today is face mask. It's time for me to shower. Then I just let me just film this and do what I use for my face, that I don't have rashes, having dark spots on my face. And I will be using honey today. I'm not going to mix it with sugar, lemon, nothing like that. I'm just going to use only honey. Honey is good for face, acne, dark spots, tiredness. All those products we apply on our face is good. It can clean it. It's natural. I'm not going to do like too much. It's just apply it on my hand. Use it as a like easy mask. When you do mask, face mask, you just apply it around.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out.
So when I apply any mask, I always apply it to my neck, so that my neck and my face will not have different color, like we not have two color. I feel like licking it like this. No. It's good for dry skin. Yeah, we use dark eyeshadow, then it can like wash it out, make your skin glow, make your skin so shine. You don't have to put on makeup anytime. We still have to wash our face. Sometimes we go to beach, sometimes we go to swimming pool. Makeup is going to go out when we go to swimming pool, so our face can look glow. Like, not all the time we have to be applying makeup. Without makeup we can't do anything, or without makeup we can't go outside. So after applying it like this, then I will just leave it for 20 to 15 minutes. Then I will rinse it with warm water, just like warm water, because when you rinse it with cold water, it's not going to like clean very well, because it's sticky. So it's very sticky. You will know honey, so you can use honey for many things. For tea, because I use it for tea. For my case, I don't use sugar. To use sugar, I will use this one. If there is if I'm making like lifter tea, not chocolate, then I will use honey. It's very, very good. Try it for your face mask. After I finish taking shower, I will just apply. I didn't apply any cream on my face. Now it's very is nothing on my face, is clean. Then I will apply vitamin E on my face. I will just use my hand to massage it like this, then rub it all over my face. Then the last thing I will do, Vaseline. I will just apply Vaseline on my lip, because I always have a dry lip. So that is it, guys. If you like this video, as I said before, please don't forget to hit that subscribe down below. Turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, and see you in my next video.